It's time for another round of tech news. OpenAI released Atlas, a full-fledged web browser that bakes ChatGPT right into the interface. It's designed to let you browse, search, and summarize pages inside the same window, powered by GPT-4o Mini. Now, imagine Chrome, but every tab comes with its own assistant. It's Mac only for now, with Windows coming later, and yes, it uses Chromium under the hood. But not everything's shiny. Early testers already found that the browser might be more vulnerable than Chrome or Edge because how its sandboxing works. So yeah, it's cool, but maybe don't log into your bank account just yet. Next, React Native 0.82. After 7 years of work, yes, 7, the React Native team has finally shipped the new architecture. It's a total rebuild of how React Native talks to your phone's native layer. Gone is the old JSON bridge that caused delays and random jank. Now, JavaScript and native code communicate directly through a new C++ API. You also get concurrent rendering and an event loop that can handle multiple priorities, meaning smoother UIs and fewer dropped frames. And there's a new version of the Hermes engine with huge performance gains. Then there's Next.js 16. This version makes TurboPack the default bundler, adds new caching APIs, and integrates seamlessly with the React compiler. It's faster, leaner, and breaks just enough things to remind you it's still JavaScript. And speaking of JavaScript, Node version 25 came out. It ships with the V8 14.1 engine, faster JSON.stringify, built-in base64 helpers, and safer defaults for networking. Not as flashy as Bun, but this is the foundation most of the web still runs on, so those boring updates really do matter. Now let's talk about the new kid on the block, Vite Plus. The team behind Vite, Vitest, and Rolldown announced Vite Plus, a unified toolchain that does everything. Develop, build, test, lint, and even visualize your project all from one CLI written in Rust. So instead of duct taping 5 tools together, you just run Vite New. It's still source available and free for individuals, but the premium features will help fund the ecosystem. And honestly, I love this move. Finally, an open source company that wants to make money without turning into another cloud platform. And what's new in frameworks? Well, Astro 5.15 dropped with smarter font preloads and deployment fixes. Solito 5 brings better support for hybrid Next plus React Native apps. Biome 2.3 improves linting speed and stability, and the Hono CLI now scaffolds full-stack apps in seconds. Cursor 2 also launched this week, and it's not just an editor update. It's trying to become the AI IDE. Think Copilot, but deeply integrated into your entire workflow. You can ask questions, refactor code, and spin up full projects without ever leaving your editor. And then there's Workflow. It's a new TypeScript toolkit that makes your async code durable. Basically, you can take any regular async function, add use workflow, and it suddenly becomes reliable, resumable, and observable with no queues, no YAML, and no ops nightmares. Think of it as reliability as code. You write normal TypeScript, and Workflow handles retries, state persistence, and tracing automatically. You can even pause for days or months, come back, and pick up right where you left off. It's perfect for long-running jobs or AI agents that need memory. And there's built-in observability too, so you can replay, debug, and time travel through your workflow runs. It works locally in Docker or on Vercel, totally open source and portable. And that's all for this week. Like, hype, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.